read the title right. It's time, guys, so. Oh, man. Slightly depressing. Love these things. Oh well, let's get to it. Well, that's kind of depressing looking, but oddly enough, it kind of looks pretty sick with the front one still on and the back. Man, we could tuck these things, man. That's rough. Well, I'm gonna get to pulling the fronts off. I don't think I'll punish y'all through that, so I guess I'll jump to y'all in the next scene.
Y'all tell me this ain't the biggest, just most epic straightaway ever. We're going downhill right now. There's old Pops and the Hellcat up there. Could easily top that thing out right here. I mean, it is just the straightest road, and then you got another hill at the other end. So absolutely so tempting in any vehicle just to freaking mat it and see how fast she'd go. But yeah, the police and them wild animals out here in the boonies is a scary thing. Let me know in the comments, would y'all romp right here, just freaking get it, or would you be a little weary? All these driveways, somebody pull out in front of you. Oh, cigarette. They're learning, adapting. There's so freaking many of them. right, so we are finishing up here at Stokes Automotive. Just got something done. So at the Peach, very cool. So we just got done getting the oil change. So yes, I know I clickbaited y'all a little bit. Not really, because I did exactly what I said, but yeah, so we came down here to Stokes Automotive. It's where my dad got his Hellcat from. It's not where I bought my truck from, but that place where I did get mine is like way farther away than this place. So came down here. They've always been good to Dad, so we both were gonna actually get our oil change. So I was talking to him the other day. I was like, hey, I'm gonna go get my oil change this week. He was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go too. I'm gonna get the oil change in my Hellcat. Not because of mileage, but because it's been a while. So I was like, cool. So we met up. Y'all saw where we met on the road or whatever. And so we came down here, and they actually were confidently saying for him not to get his oil changed yet. He's got 3,400 miles on the car. He got the oil changed like a year ago. First oil change, but they were saying, you know, that they said they would change it, but they wouldn't, you know, advise to do it because they said there's not really a reason to. Whatever, the oil that they use is not the same as old oil, where it breaks down over time period, whatever. I don't know. I told him, I was like, hey, it's still got the free oil changes. I would go ahead and get it, but he opted not to do it today, so that was fine. We went and got some food, as y'all saw, while we were waiting on my truck, and got it done real quick. And it was hang on, I gotta turn the air down. It's blazing in here. I'm on fire. Everything went extremely smooth. It took them like right at an hour from dropping it off, and that was with a couple other vehicles, so very cool. Everyone was nice, definitely. And to my surprise, my oil change was free. So the place I bought it from, they were like, hey, you know, if you bring it back here, we'll give you like, it was either 2 or 4 oil changes for free. And I was like, you know, cool, I'm not gonna do that, but thanks for the offer for sure. So I did not know that, I guess, no matter where you take it, if you go to a Chevrolet dealer, they'll do the first one for free or something. Not sure. It was a good surprise because I totally did not expect that. So I got my oil change for free today, which was awesome. We've got 2,816 miles on the truck. They recommend you do it at 5,000, but I'm just not gonna wait 5,000 miles on the new engine. You know, they have break-ins and stuff as far as materials, so I want that break-in oil out of there. I want a new fresh oil in there, so I've done that with every vehicle I've ever had new. I always change them about the 3,000 mile mark, just because that's just, I don't know, they're probably 100% safe going to 5,000 miles, but I just don't like it, so I don't do that. So yeah, so you might be wondering, well, this whole video was about you taking your wheels and tires off, so why in the world did you do that? Well, the main reason was because if you've seen my Do They Rub video, but it actually will turn one full thing, but I did not want to come up here to the dealer, drop it off, have one of their techs jump in it, and who knows what, go whip it around and like tear the fender up or tear the tire up somehow. I just thought it would be easier on everyone and definitely safer to just go ahead and swap them out, because yeah, it's just not worth the risk. Plus they might curb them or something on accident. Accidents do happen, and in some cases people try to get out of it or say they're not liable. I'm definitely not saying Stokes is like that, but some, you know, I've seen places do that. So I thought I would just take the whole issue out of the equation by putting the stock tires back on there. So that's what I did. Turned out perfect. Cost me, you know, some time and effort, but that's definitely worth being safe about it and knowing that they're going to be perfect when I put them back on. So definitely awesome. So hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. I'm sure I'll film a couple more clips maybe of who knows what. I don't know where this will actually land in the video, but yeah, hopefully y'all did enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all, my dad is over 70 years old, and that boy is still wild. Put some respect on that name, boy.